Alright, so we're at the boat again, working on her today. Let's go and get up in her. I'll show you what we found out today. A couple of things we want to do. Right here on the swim platform, we're going to put a handle up here so that when you're climbing up on the ladder, you have something to grab a hold to up here instead of having to grab here. Probably going to put a handle here as well. So yesterday we pulled all this apart and we're testing the trim switch. I think we need a new trim switch maybe. We're going to pick up another one just to be safe. This was loose. This green wire I believe was loose. So we fixed that. Dad fixed that while I was at work. Dad also had an adventure today. Apparently a power pole came down and tore the power off the side of the house. So the generator's running because they don't have any power. We ran some degreaser through the engine. You probably can see that it's a little bit cleaner today. So all we did was we got some Zep, I guess purple power, and we just sprayed it around in there. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Sprayed it in there with this guy. We let her sit for about 5 minutes and then we just rinsed out the engine bay. Just a little bit cleaner. So my understanding is this guy is a 2002 Volvo Penta 5.0 GL motor. Question is, why is it not red? Because I understand that the 2000 and up Volvo Penta motors were all red. And where is the serial number plate on this engine? That's what we're looking for. I learned that the impeller is in here. It's relatively easy to change, so we're gonna probably go to West Marine tomorrow, pick up an impeller. We're gonna change that out, pick up a trim switch, probably pick up some new struts somewhere, because these are bad. We have it being supported with a board. Clean the bilge out and the engine bay out a little bit more and continue plugging at her, see if we can't get her trimmed up and down working and the gear shifter working. And once we get that done, we'll change the engine oil, we'll change the drive oil, and we will take her out and float her on the water and see if she takes on water or leaks or whatever, and then we'll see how she runs, and then we'll give her a tune-up. But that's where we are at on the boat today.